channel. How is everyone today? So I just wanted to get on here really quick to touch base and share with y'all what I've got going on in my Etsy shop. So I was asked a few months ago to create these, some phone cases for someone, and I thought, you know, a lot more other people might like them as well. I certainly do, and I'm about to create one for myself next week. I just haven't done it yet because I wanted to start with y'all first. But here are a few phone cases. I'm also doing them in pink. So I've got some white here mixed with some vintage. Some little pearly flowers. I've got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be using, but it's going to be appliques mixed with rhinestones and just brilliant pieces. I am leaving the sides and the bottom clear. So this is for an SXS8 phone. I have it right there so I don't get anything mixed up. I'm leaving all of that clear so that nothing gets in the way of you holding it and, you know, any phone operations. That being said, these pieces have been double glued. They have all been glued up underneath with Fabri-Tac, and they've all been glued down to the phone using E6000. And before I mail them out, each piece, pearl, sequin, everything will get glued again with a little bit of E6000 just for, you know, just to make sure that it doesn't budge. So again, this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max one done in vintage, it's tea-dyed. And this one is a white one. And again, every one that I do will look a little different because, well, size of phone and different appliques, and of course, whatever it is that the person wants. This is an iPhone 14 Plus transparent. But yeah, so that is what I'm doing. And like I said, the options are white, vintage, and pink. And of course, any mix of that, you would have to message me and let me know if you wanted a mix of whatever. But they are now available on my Etsy shop. And I hope that y'all like them. And I thank y'all for stopping by and watching my video. And we'll talk again soon.